Hello and welcome to Cosmetopia Digest, first ever sing-along. No, calm down, this is indeed about the Liberty Advent Calendar. So what are we singing? We're singing to the tune of the 12 Days of Christmas. And the refrain has nothing to do with partridges. The refrain that you need to repeat, is... you can't sing, but nor can I, nor can half the people on, radio or, at the top of the charts. Nobody can sing, that's fine. Are you alone in your room? So you're going to have to sing along, yeah? I'm alone in my room. Just, kick out your SO or whoever is in the room and we'll do this together. So the refrain that you need to do is like this. And an Olaplex and an eye mask. Yeah, and an Olaplex and an eye mask. All together. And an Olaplex and an... I don't have a bait, and this is a Waterman fountain pen that my dad gifted to me for passing some exam or the other. But yeah, do sing along. What I am talking about, you will find out as we go along. Liberty's Advent Calendar launches on the 6th of October, and as usual, the packaging has the facade of the store, as you can see. Apparently, it is worth £840. This year's price is £225, which is the exact price as Net-a-Porter. And last year's price was £215, so they've upped the price by 10 quid. Remember that. When you see an advent calendar, sometimes you think, very quickly, the spoilers, you think, oh, this is great. And then you take a bit of a closer look. This is what happened to me with Cult Beauty. I first thought, ooh, brilliant. And then I realized that the Victoria Beckham lipstick in the shade Pout wasn't going to be a very good match for my complexion. So suddenly that was £34 off the value of the advent calendar. Similarly, I would encourage you to take a very close look at the contents. Is there good variety? Is there similarity? And when we look at Liberty, we're going to be looking at all these factors. Are all the products from the same-ish pool? And are they very exciting products that we want to try, that we would have bought of our own volition? Do the prices of those products that we would have bought anyway, do those prices add up to what exceeds what you pay for the calendar? Or is it not the case? Are the products included uninspiring? Are they samey? Is there too much of one thing in an advent calendar, not enough variety? These are things that I want you to look at, that we will look at when we talk about Liberty. Now, without further ado, because I want to get started with a sing-along, let's look at what is inside. The first product is a mini mascara, Uoma Beauty Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Mascara, not full-sized. Standalone retail value of 10 quid, not counting it. If it isn't full-size, Net-a-Porter, I didn't count the standalone retail value. So why would I do it now for these people alone? That's not fair, is it? When you are pricing your advent calendar at 225 quid alongside Net-a-Porter, which is the exact same price, I'm going to have to count whatever I counted there. Yeah, and not give you extra points here at Liberty. Yeah? The next product is the Labo, another 13 EGP perfume, people. 15 mils, not full-sized, absolutely not, but has a standalone retail value of 60 quid. The next product, though, is indeed full-sized. Olaplex, number 3 hair perfector. Everybody is sending Olaplex in their advent calendars, and it's not the new number 8. This is number 3, which we have seen before. 100 mils, indeed full-size, retailing at 26 quid. The next product is the Davines MoMo Conditioner, 75 mils. You get... This apparently has a standalone retail value of £9.50, but full-size is 250 mils. 250 mils, 75 mils. I cannot count it. Yeah, I'm not counting it. The next product, though, I am counting. Augustinus Beta, the Rich Cream. £65, 15 mils. Everybody has seen this. Net-a-Porter had this as well. The next product is from QMS Medicosmetics. It is the Intensive Eye Care Cream, 15 mils. This 15 mil eye cream on their website retails at £120. That 15 mil little jar there. We will have to count this at 120 quid. That's half the value of the calendar right there, more than half. So, yeah, well, I'm somebody who would rather have, kind of high-end, but not terribly soul-searingly expensive full sizes, rather than, one massively, humongously overpriced product and a bunch of not really worth it items in my advent calendars. But yeah, that is my opinion. You may disagree. The next product, I will count it as full size, I suppose. It is a Dr. Sebagh Serum Repair 20 mils. Full size is actually 50 mils. 50. Even their 5 mil serum retails at 20 quid. So that sample, 5 mil is mini, retails at 20 quid. 50 mil is full size. 20 mil is in between and retails at 69 pounds. Fine, I'll count it. So what is the Dr. Sebagh thing? It is a hyaluronic acid serum. Keep that in mind, hyaluronic acid. We will be coming across this phrase in our sing-along, hyaluronic. Yeah, so our first hyaluronic serum here. The next product, also full-sized, Aromatherapy Associates, Clear Mind Rollerball. 10 mils, full-sized at 22 pounds. The next product is the Malin and Goetz Lip Moisturiser. 10 mils you get. It is full-sized and retails at 12 pounds. So a lip balm is our next full-size product. The next is our favorite Ren AHA BHA toner, which I can't find now. I think I showed it to you last week. You're getting 100 mils AHA tonic, ready, steady, glow, that one. 250 mils is full size, like the Glow Tonic, so not going to count this. The next product is the Dermalogica Multivitamin Parfum 15 mil and eye cream. It is, people. This is full sized and retails at 49 pounds. The next product is the Surat Expressionist Brow Pomade, which retails at 30 pounds if it is full sized. I can't really tell. I didn't think it is. The next product is the Elixir Skin Universal Emulsion, which is a product that you can use on the face, under eyes and neck. That's what they mean by universal emulsion. 30 mils you get, 100 mils is full sized. Not going to count this. It also retails at 50 mils but not at 30 mils. The next product is the Charlotte Mensah Manketti Hair Oil, which we saw in the recent Space and GWP. 15 mils you get, full sizes. 100 mils, can't count it. The next product, Omarovitsa Perfecting Lip Balm, 10 mils, 34 pounds, full size indeed. So, another full size lip balm. 2 lip balms, keep that in mind for the sing-along. The next product, Votary Brightening Hyaluronic Serum, 50 mils, full size at 75 pounds. So, this is our second hyaluronic serum in this advent calendar. So far we have 2 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, right, and an Olaplex, and a... Yeah, the next product is the Susan Kaufmann Mallow Blossom Bubble Bath. 30 mils you get here. Full size is 250 mils. We saw this in Net-a-Porter, but Net-a-Porter sent us 100 mils. Liberty is sending 30 mils. See, this is the kind of thing that I want you to take a look at, because when you see an advent calendar, you fall for the marketing gimmick and the shine. The tendency is there to fall for all that. And the fear of missing out and the shiny new beauty excitement. Remember that others send you 100 mils when full size is 250 mils and are still making humongous margins. And these people are sending you 30 mils for the same price, 225 quid for the advent calendar. Keep that in mind. This is the sort of thing I want you to notice. The next is Hair by Sam McKnight Happy Endings Nourishing Balm. This is 50 mils and full size is 250 mils, so not going to count that either. The next product, Trish Mccoy Beauty Booster Moisture Stick Touch-Up, you know, if you have dry, flaky patches. This one retails at 29 pounds. The next product is from Frank Body Charcoal Face Cleanser. 35 mils you get, 100 mils is full-sized, cannot count it. The next product is from Villain Parfumery. You get a set of 3 perfumes, 2 ml vials. These are 2 ml vials. So I'm not going to count that. The next product is the Olaplex Bath Oil. You get 15 mils, full size, sorry, is 100 mils. The next though is indeed full sized. 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster, 20 mils you get. This is full sized and retails at 85 pounds. So 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 1 wash bag, 1 roller bowl, and then refrain, everybody together. Right, the next product is the Dickory SOS Revitalizing Eye Mask. You get a single. Box of 6 retails at 105 pounds, so not going to count. Lastly, you have a Liberty Starburst Print Small Wash Bag. Liberty's wash bags retail at 20 pounds. Not counting it for now. So let's look at the full sizes first. Olaplex, Beda Rich Cream, QMS Eye Cream, Dr. Sebagh the Hyaluronic, Votary Hyaluronic, Aromatherapy Associates Rollerball, Malin and Goetz Lip Balm, Dermalogica Eye Cream. So it's actually 2 eye creams. And then you've got the Omarovitsa Lip Balm. So 2 lip balms, yeah. And the third hyaluronic product in here, the 111 Skin. So counting the wash bag, there are 11 full sizes. And I'm not sure about the Surat and the Trish Mccoy. I don't think the Surat is. If the Surat and the Trish Mccoy are also full size, we get 12. 11, 100% sure. 2, I'm not really sure about. So before you get all, 10 full sizes. Yes, here's the thing. What are those full sizes? That's the question. What are those full sizes? 3 hyaluronics. Repeat after me. 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams, 1 wash bag, 1 roller ball, and an Olaplex and an eye mask. Okay, the eye mask isn't full-sized. The Augustinus Beta Rich Cream is actually the other full-size product in here, not the eye mask. The eye mask is not full-sized. But yeah, I couldn't really work the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream into the sing-along. So I decided to replace the Augustinus Beta. And an Augustinus Beta sounds awful to that tune, so we are calling it eye mask instead. So what are the full sizes before our price breakdown in this advent calendar? Sing along with me, not counting the Augustinus Beta, instead replacing it with the eye mask. Remember, it is the Beta that is a full size, not the eye mask. Sing along, all together now. 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams, 1 wash bag, 1 roller ball, and an Olaplex and an eye mask. All together now. 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams, 1 wash bag, 1 roller ball, and an Olaplex and an eye mask. Isn't this the most fun you've had since lockdown began? I'm terribly sorry for that spectacle, but when you price your advent calendar at £225, 3 serums is very, very, very good. But why are they all hyaluronic? Why are they all there are a bazillion other active ingredients in there. Send me one of those. Glycolic, lactic, niacinamide, retinol, centella, snow mushroom, resveratrol, ferulic. Oh my God, vitamin C. So many different ingredients, and all 3 serums in this advent calendar are hyaluronic. 2 lip balms. 2 lip balms. How exciting. 2 eye creams. Fine, not complaining. I like eye creams. But one of them is priced at 120 quid. I roll there, but yeah, fine. 1 rollerball. Rollerball. £225 advent calendar. You're sending me a rollerball. 1 Olaplex. Fine, not complaining about the Olaplex. And the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream. This is why I decided to do a sing-along for this one. Right, let's become a bit more serious here and do that price breakdown. Olaplex, 26 quid. Votary, 75 quid. That gives us £101. Beta, 65. I've counted it elsewhere, 166 quid. The QMS Medicosmetics gives us, it is priced at 120 on their website. It is at 106 elsewhere, including on Liberty, but we are counting what their website says. So that is £286. The Dr. Sebagh is at £69, and that gives us £355. Value is there. It's just that I wish, apart from the Votary, the other 2 had been some other kind of serums. 1 lip balm and something else, a hand cream instead. Just 1 lip balm. That would have made all the difference. So Malin Goetz is the next product, and that is £367. No, that's actually 12 quid. We are adding it and getting £367. The next full size is the Dermalogica Eye Cream. 2 eye creams, that's fine, because eye creams we all love using. So that one is £49, as I said, and that gives us £416. The Omarovitsa Lip Balm is next. That is priced at £34, and that gives us £450. Next we have the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid. You see why I have a problem with all hyaluronic acid serums. Nobody needs 3 hyaluronic serums in one advent calendar. Send us 2 other serums. I'm glad to see 3 serums in an advent calendar. I just don't like the fact that all 3 are hyaluronic, So that one is £85, the 111 Skin, that is. And that gives you £535. So £535 for these, and you pay 225 value is there. Just remember that you're paying 225 quid for 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams, 1 wash bag, 1 roller ball, and an Olaplex. Yeah, I find this quite unexciting for the price because all 3 serums are hyaluronic, 2 lip balms. You know the refrain, you know the song, you know it. I don't have to repeat myself. For me, if they'd replace the 2 other serums, Dr. Sebagh, instead put in a nice vitamin C there, more or less same price point, a peptide serum or a glycolic serum or anything really apart from another hyaluronic instead of the 111 skin at 85 quid. Come on, a Kate Somerville peptide serum is what? 80-ish quid. Yeah, put that one in there instead. That would have made all the difference to me. 1. 2, instead of that second lip balm, put something else, a hand cream instead. That would have taken this advent calendar to super excitingness for me. Instead, 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams, 1 wash bag, 1 roller ball, and an Olaplex and an eye mask is what it is at right now. And the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream, don't forget that. So for me, this is a very repetitive curation with the same-ish product family. 3 hyaluronics, 2 lip balms, 2 eye creams. I promise not to sing it again. I promise. And that should have given way to variety, which would have made all the difference. These are my personal opinions on my channel. If you disagree with me, walk away. No one's forcing you at gunpoint not to buy this or not to spend your money or to watch these videos even. Just don't, fight with me. Because I'm mature enough to realize that you may have a completely different perspective. Somebody who's a huge fan of hyaluronic couldn't have enough of it. For me, my hyaluronic is hard to love it. For me, I like variety. I like a variety of things to try in a curation like this. I also think that for the same price point as Net-a-Porter gives you much better variety than Liberty, despite the gua sha stone. Come on, you have a wash bag here. What's the difference? So what are your thoughts? Are you getting it? Are you about to, rip my throat out in anger at what I've done here? Or do you agree with me? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. Hopefully without fighting, because, I'm entitled to my opinion too, just as you are to yours. I disagree with you. I think it's a great curation. That's all that you need to write, really. So do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for singing with me. I hope that tune remains in your head as an earworm, and you keep singing 3 hyaluronics for the rest of the week at least, and drive your SO and everybody else mad. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.